Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So it's recall time. And like I said, this happens every single week. And why this is a big deal, because some people think that if you spend a lot of money and buy a prestigious brand, that it's going to have less problems because it's made better. Well, this goes to show you that that's not true, and every vehicle will be affected by it. And this one, I think one of you will probably have one of these vehicles in your garage, and it's very important because it could make a huge disaster for you. So let me go ahead and get into exactly what just came out, and then you can see if you're one of the affected ones. So like I said, some people think that, Honda and Acuras had their fair share of recalls recently. So if you jump ship, it'll be smoother. But this will go to show that that's not necessarily true, and some have it a lot worse. Especially when the manufacturer is telling you not to park your vehicle inside your garage because it could cause a huge fire. So exactly what brand am I talking about? Well, this comes from BMW. And like I said, it's a prestigious brand, luxury brand, and they've had a massive recall. About 200,000 vehicles are affected. So let me explain exactly what's going on here. So they're recalling about 200,000 vehicles, and they're all model years 2019 to 2022. I'll put a list here on the screen, exactly all the models that are affected. So along with this list right here, there's also 1,000 2020 to 2022 Toyota Supras that are affected, which is manufactured by BMW too. So that's why those ones are included in this list here. But what's going on here is that there could be corrosion of the engine starter relay, which they're saying can lead to overheat and a short circuit, which could ignite and cause a fire. And due to the severity of this, BMW itself is saying if you have one of these vehicles, you should park it outside away from buildings and other vehicles. And when the manufacturer states something like that, it's pretty serious. So I would definitely take this information and actually get my car checked out to make sure it's not affected by this, because you definitely don't want something like that going on. And if you're not sure to see if yours is affected, you can go to the NHTSA website, and I'll put a link of that in the description, and you can check and see if your exact VIN is affected, or you can call the hotline number for the NHTSA. And again, I'll put that in the description as well. But like this goes to show, it doesn't matter what vehicle you drive. If you don't want to spend $100,000 on a vehicle, you can bet your money it's going to have a recall, especially the way these vehicles are made. And I've noticed a trend. A lot of them are, 2018, 2019 to current. That's kind of what they're covering. So it is safe to say that the newer vehicles are going to have more issues. That's just the way it is, how they pump these things out and they cut labor, and you're going to get a poorer product. So again, I just wanted to keep you guys in the loop because, like I said, we all own different vehicles, not just Honda, Acuras, Toyotas. So I want to keep all you guys safe. So if you guys have one of these or know somebody with one of these models, please let them know to check the website or give that phone number a call so that they can make sure their car is not going to catch on fire and destroy your house, or even worse, you know what I mean? So hope everyone can use this information. Again, let me know in the comment section what you guys think of all these recalls recently. Like I said, it's every week there's another recall. And they're not just minor things too. Like this is a big one, something that can just short circuit and catch your car on fire. And there's the Chevy one where the fuel tank can leak in a Corvette and cause it to ignite as well. So we spend a lot of hard-earned money on these vehicles, so you don't really want to have to deal with stuff like this. So the best thing we can do is stay ahead of it. And when this information comes out, definitely take your car and get it fixed. So again, I hope everyone's having a good day out there. Staying safe as always. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.